Every user in WordPress has a profile that they can manage. Your WordPress profile is simply your options, preferences, and information. Let's look at the profile page now and see what kind of options you can change. From the dashboard, click your profile from the Users menu. This is the User Profile Editor, where you can edit your personal options. You can disable the visual editor if you only ever want to work with a more advanced text editor. Change the admin color scheme used in the dashboard. Enable keyboard shortcuts for comment moderation. Show the toolbar at the top of the site when viewing the site. That's this toolbar here. Set your proofreading preferences, including these advanced proofreading options. If your site is going to use a lot of colloquial expressions, be careful with enabling this. For most people that are speaking normal, natural language, this is very helpful, but it can be a bit cumbersome if you're, say, using WordPress for writing a serial fiction with inventive words. You can also choose to allow WordPress to detect the language based on the post, instead of your overall site settings. If your blog is multilingual and includes posts from more than one language, this is a handy checkbox to check if you've enabled proofreading, which most people should probably do. You can also have your proofreader ignore words and phrases with this option. If you have post by email enabled in Jetpack, you'll have additional options here. We do not have it enabled, but we can enable it here just by clicking this button. Now, everything below this is personal info that you may or may not choose to display. You can change the first name, last name, and nickname if you wish, and set which name you wish to be displayed at any time you make a post. The contact info section is where you can set your website, AOL Instant Messenger, Yahoo Instant Messenger, and Google Talk accounts. About yourself is a section where you can describe yourself, and it may be shown to the public. It's good to have this filled out. It gives readers an idea about who you are, whether you put personal info here or info about the company the website represents. And finally, you can change your password. Click Update Profile and you're finished. At the end of the day, managing users is very simple, and most of it takes care of itself, especially account creation. We'll be moving down the dashboard menu in our next chapter when we start talking about the Tools section.